Class, welcome to flipped lesson number 2. Well, 9.4. Same gimmick as last time, so I'm going to talk you through this. This is a really short thing, if that makes sense. Like, it's not complex, it's not hard. None of it is. So you got some sheets in front of you with yay and yay, and it's got all these definitions and stuff on it, and I know, it's on digital. It's also paper copies because, yay, copiers are working this morning. You win! Alright, so the idea we're talking about is we're talking about all four-sided polygons. So as kind of looks like a parallelogram, I'm just going to make a four-sided polygon. So quadrilaterals, right? That's all four-sided shapes. Anything that's a closed shape, it's got four sides, made up of straight lines, it's quadrilateral. Inside quadrilateral, there's really two types. There's parallelograms, and then there's the others, okay? And the others split into multiple types, okay? There's either parallelograms or they're not parallelograms. They're one of the two, right? If you're human, you're either American or you're not American. There's no two ways about it. It's you're this or you're this. So, quadrilaterals, parallelograms. We talked a lot about parallelograms. Inside parallelograms, there's certain types of parallelograms as well. If I know it is a parallelogram, it could also be something else. It could just be a parallelogram, or it could be more specific. It could just be an American citizen, and that's all the information you get, and it's just an American citizen, because technically there are people that are American citizens, they don't live in a state. They don't live in the U.S., I know you guys probably know that if you have parents who are overseas when you're born, you're a U.S. citizen. So people can have a kid in France. It's a U.S. citizen. He's American, but he never comes to the U.S. So therefore, he actually is parallelogram. He's this. He's nothing more. But inside those types, below parallelogram, there are rectangles. Those are types of parallelograms, and what's called a rhombus. And then if these two happen to overlap, and these two are types of things, and there's other, either a parallelogram, you could go further, and in this overlap, there exists a shape that is both a parallelogram and a rhombus, and it's called a square. So we're going to talk about that. That's what we're talking about. Is it a rectangle? Is it a rhombus? Is it a parallelogram? And if it's a rectangle and a rhombus, is it a square? So we're going to talk about that today. That's the idea, okay? Cool.